Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the another part of a new video which you are posting in the YouTube channel. Okay. Now the current trend is of AI, artificial intelligence. The world is moving towards artificial intelligence. Okay. Nowadays we use lot of Chat GPT nowadays for like searching any content, right? Before we are using Google. Now everything is world is moving towards artificial intelligence. Like human is being replaced by AI nowadays. Okay, so let's we thought of, right, why not we also move to the AI part, right, in the current, according to the current market. Okay, slowly we'll be posting a lot of AI tools like chat GPT testing, API testing through ChatGPT, like that. Slowly, we will be also moving towards in our channel. So continue to watch us and help us and support us. Okay, now let's go to the very first right tutorial in the AA part. Okay, the first one is, right. Uh, there is one tool called as TestRigor. Okay, so TestRigor. Okay, so the TestRigor. Lets me go to the official site of TestRigor to understand what is TestRigor. We should go to type TestRigor and type the first one. So TestRigor is a generative AI based test automation tool. Okay, so it is an AI based test automation tool. Okay, so what is this tool is all about, right? Normally we used to, how we do in testing a real time world, we there will be a story in the board where we write manual test cases. After that, we also create a regression shoot. We build a framework, create a base class, create reusable methods, create pages, and create step definition. We create future file, like we add screenshot, we add config.property. We do lot of work to test a particular web-based application. There needs to be lot of setup. We have to write at least 10, 15 test cases, like expected result, actual result, test case description, like that. We should do lot of work, right? Manual work should be there. Even though automation work, we do manually set up everything, the environment, everything we need to set up. There is a lot of big work, right? So that is being made very easy and simple with the help of this test rigor. Okay, that is a beautiful thing in this test rigor. All this works is done automatically with simple, by writing simple two line of English. If I write two line of English, that does all the work, right? It creates a test case, right? Automatically, it does everything. It sends a screenshot, generates, right? For example, right, there is one flow, I need a different test case, like positive test cases, negative test cases. Okay, multiple end to end flows, all these things can be generated with some three lines of code. Okay, so that is a beautiful thing about the test trigger. Test trigger is a license based tool. 1 month there is a free trial. That is what we are using it here. Okay, so now if I see, right, we need to register. We already did this. Okay, so you need to request for a demo and register it. Please do it. It's a very simple steps. You give your name, email ID, and just give some basic details and give submit. If you do submit, it will go to this screen. Please do the basic registration part, sign up part. Okay, you will come to this right one. If you log in, okay, you won't see this test shoot since I already done. You seen the test shoot. You will see only the right hand side new test shoot. Okay, so we have to add a test shoot and write a simple English where, right, it can be, it is, now we'll see what is going to happen. Okay, I'm going to test one site. Okay, let me take for example, right, orange HRM login, same thing, I'll take it. Okay, so I'll take this site because, right, it has need to give credentials. That's why I'm opting for this site. Okay, okay, so in this R, we just will test this R and HRM side. First, I'll tell you what I'm going to do now. First, I'll give username and password. We do in both manual automation, right? We give username and password. What we'll do, suppose I'm going testing the admin page. Okay, I'll admin. Suppose I'm going admin, then I'm going clicking a search, right? So example, I'm clicking a search button, then I'm going and clicking a leave link. Okay, then leave link, I'm just going and checking whether the screen is working fine. Then I'm going to dashboard. Okay, then I'm going and see this is a simple test case which I'm going to do. Normally we used to do create a framework, we do a lot of things, right? We add feature file, we add step definition, we generate snippets, we have to add pom.xml dependencies, we have to do a lot of things, right? That can be easily done with 3 lines of code, 3 lines of simple English. Okay, so it is even the non-technical person can understand and do what they are going to do. Same thing what we used to talk in the BD, right? For BD we need to convert into step definition. Here that work is made very easy here. Okay, now this is the flow. I'm going to this test rigor now. I log out. I'll log out this one, and I'll go. I'll create a test shoot name orange HRM. Okay, a demo. We'll give a demo. Okay, now what what type of testing I'm doing, I'm just going to select, right, web based testing. So now I'm doing a web based testing. We can do mobile apps, we can do API testing with the help of this test rigor. We can do other types of testing also. Now I'm purely concentrating on the right, web based application. Okay, we can give the what URL we are going to automate, right? So we should give the what URL we are going to automate. Then if you have any credentials, right, you should give your credentials also. Orange HRM page has credentials, so I'm giving the credentials here: admin 123. Okay, so admin and admin 123. Okay, and what OS, right, we are selecting by default it's Ubuntu. If it is a paid version, we can see other OS also. Okay, another one important thing is, right, we can do cross browser testing with the help of this test trigger. We can test with multiple browsers. Okay, so that is also one beautiful thing, right, here in this, right, test trigger. Now I'm selecting only Chrome here. Okay, now I can tell how many flows I want to test. Okay, test this login screen and the other screen with 3 different flows I'm giving. Okay, so if I select 3, it will generate 3 different test cases here. Okay, so if it is a paid version, we can generate more test cases also. Okay, since it's a limited, I'm just checking with the three flows. Normally we use a story, we can write multiple test cases out of it, right? That also can be generated here. Okay, now comes the very important thing, the actual right, the code or a simple English test cases which you are going to do. Okay, now I'll write the actual test cases. Since it's already logged in, I need to go to the home screen, right? Okay, now I need to click the admin first, then click leave link, then click the dashboard link. So three right, flows I'm going to do. I'm write those test case there. Okay, or the simple English text there. Click admin link. This AI tool will capture the whatever we are doing. It will capture according to that. It is going to start testing that. Click the leave link and click the dashboard link. I'm just instructing right AI to do this task, do this in an automatic way and give me a test case and tell me whether it's passed and failed. So we are giving instruction, you test these things and create a shoot and do it. That's what I'm telling. Let me create a shoot here. Okay, let me log out and create a shoot here. So if I create a shoot, see, you can see, right, test shoot created, test of web application has been started. Now I want to add, and you see we can 3 different test cases have been generated. So as I told you, we write 3 different test cases. We say verify that admin link navigates to the admin page and leave the link page, and the dashboard link, navigate to the dashboard page. Here the different test case, link the link page, like our function, lead to the respective page without any error. See, three different test cases, positive test cases and negative test cases automatically done within a single click, right? Normally we have to spend lot of time in doing this, right? So this is a very easy work the AI tool is doing. Okay, so I'll click add and build here. New scenarios moved on top. Okay, now I'll click OK here. See, now the test shoot is being created and now the test cases are being executed. It is telling an estimated time is 14 minutes, right? Let me see when it's going to execute. See, three different test cases are executed simultaneously. Okay, so this tool can be integrated with CI/CD pipeline also. This tool can be right. This tool can test the API testing also. Okay, so lot of features is there actually. So lot of our time effort is being reduced here. Okay, so we can test the mobile apps also with this one. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute. All these test cases needs to be executed. You can see, right, it's telling estimated time is 14 minutes. I think it should take less than that. Okay, you can see, right, one test case is passed, right? The first test case is passed. How many seconds? For 54 seconds. It's giving a log also when it created, and it took the screenshot also for each step. Okay, so it took the screenshot also for each step, login, entering username, entering password, right? It created three different flows, right? For three different flow, right, it took the screenshot also. Okay, so this is how right, the AI works. Okay, for each and every step it takes the captures the screenshot within a single click. Okay, so we are writing only three steps, just three simple words. It does everything, and you can see which scenario is clicking in the left side. You can see, right, which scenario is clicking. It's taking the showing us, right, and telling, right, which button or link it's clicking and what is the screenshot of that. It's going to take everything. Okay, let me close this one. So all these three test cases now is being created, executed, and all that the test cases is been passed now. Okay, so you can see, right, all the test cases have been passed now. Two test case has been executed and one test case been right going at 1 minute. Let me show you generating test cases also. I'll show you 1 minute. I'll take edit test case. See, it's taking the test case steps also is been generated. Let me show another one. 1 minute. Okay, this is also one thing. 1 minute. Let me. I just checking the error message. Right, 1 minute. Let me show you the first one. Let just wait for 1 minute. Okay, it's second three test cases. Right, the steps is been captured here. Okay. Okay. Okay, now what we do is we can edit the test case, right? If I want to edit the test case and change the test case also, I can do here. Okay, I can copy this and paste in my Excel sheet or in the board, whatever board you can do it, you can do it. Okay, so there is, this is also an option, so our work is easy here. So you can take a test case generated by that, and you can edit this also. Okay, that is also one beautiful thing in this AI tool. Okay, so right, next one is, right, you can link data set. There are a lot of options we can do. Okay, so slowly we'll see one by one, but it does for all three test cases. We can add the custom test case also. We can also add our test case also with this one. Suppose it tested 3 floors, if you have another 2 floors, we can add here with this AA2 also. Okay, so this is what is about the right AI tool test rigor. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Continue to follow this one. We'll post more videos regarding the test rigor also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.